What's up, YouTube? Jeff, your Style OG. Today's video, we're going to talk about how to dress light and do a style breakdown of Zayn Malik. If you're new to the channel, we release a new video every day at 4 p.m. Eastern discussing various men's lifestyle topics such as style, grooming, and dating. I invite you to subscribe and tap the notification bell and join us. And to my returning friends, now I might butcher this, Arpri Singh Rapu. Please let me know if I got that right. Salute. Now, a common question I get on this channel is from guys in the late teens to early to mid 20s that want to know how they can elevate their style game, maybe even dress up a bit, but not look like a stuffy old man. Now, often what I like to answer back is, take examples and inspiration from guys in your age range that dress how you might want to. Emulate some of their style techniques and make it your own. And one of the guys in the mid-20s that really has style down is Zayn Malik. So what I want to do in this video is take about 6 or 7 of Zayn's techniques, how he makes himself stylish, elevates his style game, but doesn't look like an old man, and use him as an inspiration for the young and young at heart on how you can be stylish and smooth. So without further ado, let's do a style breakdown of Zayn Malik. Now, one of the things he does an excellent job of is the way he uses the cornerstone of a stylish man's wardrobe, the suit. But he does it in a fresh, young way. He doesn't just go out and get a white dress shirt and a navy tie and throw on a suit. That would be too old and dated. Instead, he does simple, sexy things like what I'm doing here today. Get a nice double-breasted suit, throw a turtleneck on with it. And on top of that, being a slim guy, he'll rock double-breasted suits, which give a slimmer guy a little bit more depth and width. So one of the things he definitely does well that you can incorporate into your wardrobe, do a stylish, fresh, young take on a classic suit. Speaking of classics, the next thing he does very well, he makes great use of classic jacket styles. Look how well he utilizes biker jackets, bomber jackets, and even a racer jacket. These are all classic silhouettes that'll look good on him now when he's 25 and 20 years later when he's closer to my age. Once again, showing that Zayn is a great example on how the young and the young at heart can be stylish. Now, we're not done with the classic style techniques yet. Another great thing he does, he wears classic boot styles, especially ones that look good on musicians. And he especially makes great use of that rock and roll classic, the Chelsea boot, as you can see in several examples here. Chelsea boots give you a nice rock and roll rebellious edge, but there's still something you and I can both incorporate. The Chelsea boot, classic, but still stylish and sexy, something he can use and we can use as well. The next style technique that Zayn does a great job of, he's not afraid to wear bold prints. You throw on a bold pattern or stripe by itself or underneath the jacket, you're giving yourself just a little bit of pop, stepping outside the box, setting yourself apart. Taking a few risks, definitely a technique we can use that Zayn Malik does very well. Next up, Zayn does a great job of incorporating accessories. Those small details that make you stand out. And the thing he does extremely well that I noticed, he wears glasses. Whether there's some shades or even some clear glasses. Zayn understands that glasses add to the symmetry of your face. Symmetry makes everybody more attractive. Now, he has no problem being a handsome guy, but glasses help frame your face. It's a technique you and I can use to even be more attractive. So if you want to step your style game up a little bit, throw on a pair of glasses here and there. Those accessories and great details make a difference. Last but not least, the final technique I want to talk about that Zayn does a great job of is another final detail. He pays attention to his grooming. Notice in all the pictures I'm showing you today, he's well groomed. Even though he has a beard in most pictures, the beard is well groomed. And once again, being a younger guy, he can take a couple of chances. As you can see, he might change his hairstyle. Throw a little color in. Take advantage of being a younger guy and experiment. However, although he might be experimenting with different colors in his hair, notice the haircut always on point, not a hair out of place. So as you can see, one of the things that has him a step ahead of the rest when it comes to his style, grooming, meticulous, and on point. Okay, so there you have it. My style breakdown of and how you can dress like Zayn Malik. Let me know in the comment section, are you a fan of this gentleman's style? As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit that like button. It helps the channel to grow. And of course, tap that notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos we release every day at 4 p.m. Eastern, and I'll check you out tomorrow.